for the next 6 weeks, we're going to do something a little bit different in here. You may be doing it in some of your other classes. What we are going to be doing is, for our bell work, we're going to be working on open response questions. And what we're going to be doing is mainly looking at open response questions and seeing how we can read them easier to see what they are saying. That is what we want to see. So the way we're going to do it is every one of you are supposed to have a binder. That was one of the requirements. You need a binder. In your binder, you're going to have a section just for bell work. And what you need to do is on your bell work is you need to save a little part of it, and that's where you're going to put your bell work in every single day, is in that section. What we're going to do with bell work is this. For the next week and a half, I am going to be going up here, and I'm going to show you how to take a open response question, and I am going to show you how to break it down so you can read it easier. Gentlemen in the back, I'm going to show you how you can break it down to read it easier. What we have noticed with our open response questions on the benchmark is that a lot of times it's not that you don't know the math to use. You can do the math. Whatever math they ask you to do, you can do it. You understand how to do it. The problem is when you read the problem, you don't know what math they're asking you. You can't look at that problem and understand what they're asking you to do. So what we want to do is show you an easier way, possibly, how to break it down to understand it better. So everybody get a piece of paper out, label it today's date, and what I want you to do for the next week and a half, all you're doing is there's no questions. All you're going to do is write what I underline and circle. And you're going to underline it and circle it also. So whatever I write down, no, you don't have to write this down. Whatever I underline is what you write down, and whatever I circle is what you write down. Do we understand? Okay. Now, here we go. Are we ready? Here's the first thing we want to look at. I'm going to read the problem first to you. Then we're going to go backwards and write down the power words and the verbs. Those are the main things we want to look at, are the power words and the verbs. Okay, gentlemen? Ladies? You're right in my way. I'll be walking right through here. Okay? All right. Now let's look at this. It says, shh, I need everybody quiet, please. It says a music store is offering a coupon promotion on its CDs. The regular cost for a CD is $19. With the coupon, customers are given $3 off the total price. The equation T equals 19C minus 3, where C is the number of CDs and T is the total cost of the purchase, models this situation. According to the question as shown above, how much would someone pay when purchasing 3 CDs? That's the first thing we want to know. The second thing is using the grid provided on your student answer document and straight edge ruler, graph the equation and label the axes. And the last thing, using the equation above, explain the mean of slope and y-intercept. Now, I read that whole problem. Some of us got it, some of us don't quite understand it. Too many words, so sometimes what we do is when there's too many words, we just stop halfway through and give up, and we leave it blank. Otherwise, we just kind of look at it and guess what they want to know. So what we're going to do is go through and highlight or underline the power words and circle the verbs. Verbs meaning what? The action words. What we have to do. A lot of times we don't do everything they ask us to do. But if we circle all the verbs, that means we can see specifically what they want us to do. So let's look through here. First of all, a music store is offering a coupon promotion on its CDs. Regular cost of CDs